Hello, good morning to all. Hello, 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 good morning. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Good morning.
Sorry, guys. I forget my pen at home. Now I have to write with my finger. So, like, just like before I had gold medal handwriting, today I will have platinum handwriting. So please forgive me. I forget my pen, and there is no pen. It should be a pen. Oh, I got one pen. Praise God, praise God. मैं अपना वाला पेन भूल गया. Okay, I got some pen, so please bear me. We will continue with our class. Everyone, turn on the camera, please. Hannah, Joshua, Sam.
Good morning, sir.
A very good morning, guys. Sorry, I forget my pen. So today we will have platinum handwriting.
Sir, can we do the doubts?
Yes, yes, please doubts. Please doubt. Yes.
Yeah, my doubts are in lesson 16.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Terminal exercise lesson 16, page number 406.
Terminal exercise lesson 16,
16,
page number.
406.
Yeah. Which
Uh,
part?
the first question. And the second question.
Okay, okay. Okay. So please bear me up today. Yes, I'm center. Center. Okay, listen, guys. Listen, guys. So we know that this is 90 degree. Yes, this is 90 degree or not? Yes. If this is a 90 degree, then this angle POR, this angle POR, it is will be 90 degree again. I mean 180 degree. It's 180 degree, na, because double the side. And now we know that that angle P that angle POS plus angle SOR is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because of linear pair. Now, linear pair we know now in a straight line, the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sam, Joshua, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we know that angle POS is equals to angle SOR. Can you tell me why? Because the diagonal bisects it into two equal parts. So it means that twice of angle POS is equals to 180 degree. Now angle POS is equals to 180 minus, sorry, divided by 2. So angle POS is equals to 90. This is the answer. So each side means this PS side makes 90 degree, PQ side makes 90 degree, QR makes 90 degree, SR makes 90 degree, like this.
Sir, can you explain it one more time?
Sorry?
Can you explain it one more time?
With? What are you saying? I'm not getting it.
Can you explain it one more time?
Yeah, one more time. Okay. See, we know that angle PQR is equals to 90 degree. Like this is 90 degree. Yes, because square is there. So if square makes an angle 90 degree on the circumference, then the same square which is like diagonally going through the center, it become 180 degree. Yes, Sam, did you understand? So this is become 180 degree. Yeah. Now we know that angle POS plus angle SOR, they like the sum of these angles is equals to 180 degree because it's a linear pair. Abigail, do you know this property?
Can you, like, I understood why PQR is 90 degree, and I understood that POR is 180 degree because of because it's a straight line, but I didn't understand because PQR is 90 that POR becomes 180. I didn't understand that.
POR is a straight line, and always straight lines creates an angle is equals to 180 degree. Always. It's a property called as linear pair property, in which it says that straight line always makes 90 degree.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So linear pair linear pair always makes 180 degrees.
Okay.
That's why. Okay. So the POS plus SOR is now they both angles are equal because in square diagonals bisects the each other as well as they bisect the angles also. Understood? Okay, so it means that POS and SOR both are equal. Sum of that is equals to 180 degree. So twice of POS is equals to 180 degree. 2 will go and it will divide become 90. So it means that POS, this angle is equals to 90 degree.
Okay, sir.
Now quickly write it down. Then you have second question in doubt.
Yes, sir.
Quickly write it down.
जिसका हो गया एक बार रिव्यू पढ़ के लो एक बार पढ़ाई करो फिर देखते हैं अच्छा अच्छा करो करो
Okay, done. Shall I raise this, guys? Hannah, did you understand?
Yes. मुझे कुछ याद ही नहीं है
My pen is not working. It is easy to write with my hand. I'll write with my hand only.
that a real pen you're using, sir?
Yeah, that is tab pen. It's called a Xiaomi pen.
Was that like
Huh?
the one you're just using? Was
It's not. It's basically it came with the cover. That it's like it's not a pen. It's like just sensitive. Like na, aluminium can work over the screen. So like there will be some settings of that. Otherwise, it's not a pen. So, but the thing is the bottom part is spongy. So when I'm writing, it's sometimes it's taking, sometimes not taking. That's why I'll write with my hand. Today just bear it. Tomorrow I'll like how I can forget. I don't know.
I forgot your tab pen. You're using a normal pen. I thought like your full tab screen would be scratched.
No, I have real tab pen. I forget. Okay, it happens. Shall we start? Shall I raise this? Okay. So
Sir, in the second question, the first part I'll do it. The second and third part alone, could you just show it?
so they all are related to each other. If you're able to do the first part, then second part and third part, it's not that much thing. But okay, I'll help you.
Okay.
Just give me a second. Yeah, guys, one more thing I have to tell it to you that I won't be available on 13th Feb. Today is what? Today is 11, I guess. Tomorrow there will be class. 13th Feb, I won't be available. It might be on Thursday. Yeah, today is 10. So we will have class on 13. Okay. I mean, we will not have class on 13. Thursday. Okay. There's some power conference in like various impact conference. So I'll be there on arrangements now. Okay. So C1 and C2 are the center with O. So I have to make the diagram. Okay. Now C1 and C2 are the two circles with center O1 and O2 intersect at point A and B. If O1 and O2 intersect at AB, O1 and O2 at M, show that O1 A O2 is equilateral to O1 B O2. Okay, now listen, guys. Listen. So now we know that this triangle, we have to congruent it. So if you don't know the property of congruent, what is congruency? Congruency is the property in which two triangles are said to be congruent. Congruent means equal. Okay, like for example, this is my hand and this is another hand. So now they are the congruent hands. Why? Because you can't see the you will see that there is only one hand is there because one hand and another hand is overlap on each other. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is called as congruent. Congruent means they are both properly equal. Okay, understood? Are you getting instruction from my side?
I wasn't able to hear you, sir.
Okay, good. Are you getting any disturbance, like sound disturbance?
Just a little bit.
Okay. So basically, what was I'm trying to say? Congruent. Congruent means you can see that one hand is overlap on each other, on other hand. Yes. So now the triangle are said to be congruent are the same or the equal in which one triangle is overlapping on another triangle and they both look like same, equal. This is the meaning of congruent. So now we have to prove that this A O1 O2 is congruent to O1 O2B. Okay. So now we know that O1 A is equals to, so I'll write like this. In triangle O1A O2 and triangle O1B O2. So I am checking about these two triangles. This is first triangle, this one O1 A O2 and O1 B O2. This triangle. So these two triangles I am talking about. Okay, understood? Yes or no? So we know that O1 O1A is equals to O2A. No, sorry. O1B. Can you tell me why? Why O1A is equals to O1B?
Because they are both radar.
Yep, they are both radius because of radius. Okay. The second thing is O2A is equals to O2B. Why? Can you tell me why? O2A is equals to O2B. Why? Why?
Because the radius of circles.
Yes, because of the radius again. Okay. Now we know that O1 is equals to like O1 O2 is equals to O1 O2 because it's a common side sharing by the triangle. So it's common. So by triple S congruency, triangle O1A O2 is congruent to triangle O2B O1. So we prove that like this triangle is equals to this. Understood, guys? Abigail, Joshua. Okay. Now we have to prove that M is the midpoint. Now we have to what we have to prove? That M is the midpoint. Okay. Now because they are congruent to each other, so it means that because they are congruent. Okay. So now in triangle O1AP. Okay. Now listen, guys. See, O1AM. I'm taking these two triangles, O1AM and OMB. These two triangles I'm taking. This triangle and this triangle. We know that O1A is equals to O1B because they are the radius. Yes. O1M common. O1M common. And we know that this angle is equals to this angle. This angle is equals to this angle. Why? Because in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Understood, Hannah Abigail? Yes or no? In this triangle, if two sides are equal, like O1A and O1B are equal, na, So their opposite angles are also equal. So that's why they are equal. Understood, Abigail? Yes or no? So by SAS, triangle MA is equals to MB. So if MA is equals to MB, so the M is the midpoint. Understood?
Sir, can you explain that again?
See, I took these two triangles O1, O1, O1AM and O1BM. Or instead of writing this angle, because it's not SAS, not working, we will take this angle. Okay, now listen, guys. Basically, listen. Because these two triangles, like in the previous part, these two triangles are equal O1A, O2 and O1B, O2. Because these two triangles are equal, then these angles are also equal because they are equal. Na? They are overlapping on each other. Because they are congruent, they are overlapping on each other. So A, O1M and B, O1M. They both angles are equal. Understood, Abigail? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, I understood that the angles are equal.
Okay. Now I'm telling it to you. O1AM, this triangle, and O1MB, this triangle. These two triangles we are taking. Now in this two triangle, O1A is equals to O1B because they are radius. Yes. OM is common. So O1M, O1M, O11, O1M, both are common. And this angle and this angle are equal. Why? Because in the previous question we learned that. Okay, by CPCT, these two angles are equal. So by SAS, these two triangles are also congruent, and if these two triangles are the common congruent, then this angle, these and this are equal because of the CPCT. It means that M is the midpoint. Understood, Abigail? Hannah? No. Sam, did you understand? This is out of the topic. I can't like help you deep in this because there's a chapter called as congruency, and I guess it's a TML, and this question is based on that. Understood, Abigail?
The reason if we write just CPT, is it fine, or we have to say because of it's a whole time, right?
Yeah. So you can write CPCT. Simple as that.
What's the full form of CPCT?
Abigail, you're saying something?
Yes, sir, I was asking what's the full form of CPCT?
Congruent parts of congruent triangle. Congruent parts of corresponding triangle. Sorry.
Okay.
Congruent parts of corresponding triangle. Done? Abigail, done?
No, sir, but I took a screenshot. So.
Okay. Now, last part which we have to solve. So I'm erasing this first part. Hey guys, today I can't do anything. I'm not able to write properly. What is this? Oh, I said project. It usually in my bag only. But Friday class, I think I took. Like I was cleaning my house and I put it somewhere else. Okay. Now we know that again with the help of CPCT, we can say that P M O1 is equals to A M O1 by again CPCT. CPCT. Because of CPCT, these two angles are equal. Yes. So now angle PMO1 is equals to plus angle AMO1 is equals to 180 degree. See guys, this is straight line. AB is a straight line, Abigail. AB is a straight line, then the sum of this angle plus this angle is equals to 180 degree.
Yeah.
Is equals to 180 degree. So now it will become twice of BMO1 is equals to 180 degree. So angle BMO1 is equals to 180 divided by 2. So angle BMO1 is equals to 90. So it means that this angle is equals to 90. And this question is saying that AB makes 90 degree with O1 and O2. So when we prove that this is 90 degree, so third part is also over. Understood? Abigail?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Now could you write it down? Sam, I know you're not able to get anything about that, but this is a chapter called CPCT congruence. And understood, Sam? I know I can understand you. I can feel you that you're not able to get anything. But want to say something, Sam? You're mute.
No, sir.
Yeah, no, you're not able to get anything, but like it's a big chapter. So we have to understand that chapter first. Then only we can do this question. So for this question, we need to do that chapter. Understood? Okay, done? Are you getting any music sound from my side? Is it too loud? No? Today there is some musical concert. I mean, concert is there. So they are playing Dholak and all. Okay, done? Okay. So, Sam, Joshua, you have 5 minutes and then we'll start in. So, Abigail, Anna, bye. Sorry for the question. You said tomorrow will be.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sam, 5 minutes, come back. Sam, Joshua, are you there? We'll do one thing. We'll take science class tomorrow because Jahoan and Jashron is not joining and even my pen is not working. So we'll take class tomorrow. Okay, so sorry for that. Tomorrow we will have that. So then bye.